Hey guys, today I will show you Netis N2AC 1200 wireless dual band gigabit router unboxing and review. Package contents of Netis N2AC 1200 wireless dual band gigabit router. 1 quick installation guide, multilingual. 1 12-volt 1.0 ampere power adapter. 1 Ethernet cable. 1 Netis N2 wireless router. The Netis N2 dual-band gigabit router, equipped with the next-generation 802.11ac Wi-Fi technology, will offer you a simultaneous dual-band connection with 867 megabits per second wireless speeds over the crystal-clear 5G band and 300 megabits per second over the 2.4G band, ideal for faster downloading, online gaming, internet calling, and HD video streaming. Also, it provides full gigabit ports which are 10 times faster than conventional fast Ethernet connections. This is the reset button. When your Netis router is powered on, press and hold the reset button for 30 seconds, then release it. The router will then restart in the factory default setting. This is the 12-volt power jack. Plug the provided power adapter into the power jack of the Netis router. This is WAN port. WAN stands for Wide Area Network, which is basically the internet. The WAN port is used to connect the router to your internet connection. These are the 4 full gigabit LAN ports which are 10 times faster than conventional fast Ethernet connections. This is the WPS button. The WPS button enables you to connect devices via Wi-Fi to your router. By pushing the button, your router will easily establish a connection to other devices. This is the power LED light. This is the WPS LED light. This is the Wi-Fi LED light. This is the Internet LED light. These are the 4 Ethernet LED lights. Netis N245 by high gain antennas. The Netis 802.11ac router N2 works on both 2.4G and 5G wireless bands simultaneously. Equipped with more than one 2.4G external 5x antenna and 5G external 5x antennas. The Netis N2 ensures a wide range across a greater distance. This allows you to enjoy wireless freedom with incredible signal and coverage in any large home or office. Bottom side of the Netis N2 router. Many routers, especially those that have come from an internet service provider, have unique passwords. The network name and password are usually on a sticker, which is on the bottom side of the Netis N2 router. The Netis router N2 supports AP, repeater, and client modes, providing various wireless solutions. Based on your current network structure, you can flexibly choose a suitable wireless mode to build or extend the wireless network. This new Netis N2AC 1200 router comes with a 1-year warranty. Click the end screen to set up your Netis N2 Wi-Fi router. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get the latest video update. Thank you for watching this video.